or sometimes when you're thinking of smoking, since you say why can't I just leave this thing for young so that I can give a better life to my child?
Yes,
Because
every
something
time,
I like when I feel abandoned as much as you are feeling.
all the time, my brother. When I take that fix, I cannot think about her. Inhliziyo yami iba buhlungu kakhulu, not being there for her. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi uzongizonda kangakanani for abandoning her. Ngithola brother. She's a darling ufana nami. She's intelligent. Umntwana nje right mfethu yimi nje itime lakhe liflop. Ukuthi ngingabi there for you. And always
lava sokise ukuthi yambulala
Things I must be things over my question now.
leyo bengiyifuna Joe, we leave no stone unturned.
yini eqinisekisa everything.
ama prices dropped. Bengingasayenzi inyuku eBhaya and bese kuba ingozi. It's like bese I was putting my life at risk for inyuku encane. So ngadecide ukuthi no man, nathi ngiphume la ngibone ukuthi ngayenzani enye engangenzela inyuku. And I was sick and tired of that life actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Then what happened after that?
And then after that I went to Spain. Ngaqala ngafuna iSpani. Ngifuna ukuphila nje nami normal life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So ngathola iSpani eSasole. Then I worked, but nakhona eSasole kwaba nenkinga zakhona because mina ngomunye umuntu I hate racism yabo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so ngaba nebhati ukuthi la ngispana khona lamabhunu beka racist, and mina ngibuya kwenye family very politically orientated, so I couldn't take that. So I can't keep quiet while umlungu azongitshela nonsense ngithola. Yeah. So mina nabo we always on confrontation. The last time before I resigned, the outie ebengireport kuyo is an Afrikaans guy. Bekafuna ngireport kuye in Afrikaans, and I hate Afrikaans. So mangifika athi kimi muni prata kaktal met me. Should ungakhulumi, and I'm reporting back to him in English, and it's work orientated. So ngayibona lapho ukuthi athi ngiyeke vele. Then I opened up my own business esayidini ngathengisa isibindi.
Okay.
Yeah, bengithengisa ipapa nesibindi. I opened up a informal restaurant eGas.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the Belispana Grand. Yes, I was taking drugs at the time. I took drugs for about 20 years.
So we manage going to work and drugs, Washaya before Hispani, after Hispani.
Bengiwashaya before ngiqala ukuspana, during Hispani nge-break I'll go take some noma ngishayisa. Because addiction injalo bro iyakhula. The more you take the ama-drugs, the more intake yakho iyakhula. So ama-drugs have been part of my life for a very long period of my life. Yeah.
Okay, bra. So wavula ibhizinisi yesibindi nayo obviously. Yeah, shut it down.
Yeah, it was good to start with. It was good until nami ngikhathala at some point ngifuna something else. So ngayekela nje kanjalo, and when I I stopped nalapho bese ngibhema kakhulu. So I thought to myself mangayekela maybe lento ngifakela imali ngayekela ama drugs. So I cut the business off ukuthi ngingabi nemali. At some point I thought ukuba nemali yiko ngibangela lenkinga lezi. So bengifuna ukuphila le life ukuthi ngingabi nemali, at least mangithi nginemali ngibe nemali encane, but that also caused problems because abantu abaningi basuka eduze kwami because angisana mali, angisakhona ukuba provider ngezinto I used to. Yeah. So ngaba yaqala lapho ke ngaba worse ke ngena kakhulu ke ama drugs.
So mawuthi someone bosobhema kakhulu, umuntu obhema kakhulu according to you, umuntu obhema kanjani?
Kusho ukuthi 24 hours bengingahlali ngingana ma drugs kimi. Noma ngihamba ngiya somewhere angikhona ukuyana even to a funeral asithi maybe eThema. I have to ukuthi ngiphathe umphako wama drugs.
Awukhona ukuthi ngoba ngendaweni kanje ngi spend like 2 hours without touching them.
No, bengingasakhona. Bengingasakhona ukuhlala ngaphandle kwawo, bengingakhona 2 hours was a very long time. Yeah. Bese ngihlala ngibhema nenhliziyo izinto nje eziningi bezenzakala like ngisifile like ngikhumbule abazali ngiyenzeni, so bengizama ukuthi take the pain away but ngisinka deeper. Yeah.
Njengoba uthi bovula ishop, after shop you went deeper. What causes that? Because bowutshela ukuthi masongasena mali ngeke usankauza, but then now it went even more.
Stress nokuthi ngispend isikhathi esiningi manje ngingasa yenza izinto. The only thing bengiyenza manje ama drugs because bengasayenzi next, bengasana into engiphushayo, like at least espanini bengibhema 3 times a day. Manje I have the whole day ngihleli angenzi next, so it's back to drugs. And ngapha nginabo I choose abathengisayo, so drugs were literally there. Ngithola ene bekahlala kimi, bengibastokela mina, bengiyijozi ngiyobastokela bona beza kimi bazicollect, so bengihlala nginawo endlini. Yeah. And a lot of that.
Because now you ukhulume ngendaba yokuthi you sold the house.
Yeah.
And what was life like after ukuthengisa idladla ke? So ukidla like
yeah, bengilala banganini at first bengekho seriously because I had friends. Then isikhathi masamba you realize that you made a mistake ngoba sohlala estradini manje, nobody wants you because ubhema ama drugs uyatshontsha nabo uyabatshontshela, yabona. So akekho umuntu manje okufunayo in the company, and so sohlala estradini basically, so skidlava.
So yini into eyenza ukuthi ngikunceda ngithi ngizokugidlisa uphinde ungitshontshele vini?
Ukungakhuluma iqiniso uthami ngatshela ivar like uyanginceda. I should have told you my problem ukuthi yini inkinga yami, yabo. Yeah, so but ngendlela ukuthi uzongithatha kanjani angikutshela ivar, so I just ngenza act as if sishapo, then uthola ukuthi ngishawa idown and ngiyasaba ukuza kuwe ngokutshela ukuthi manje sibale ngicela nje ungiphe nje 3 tiger ngiyosnare ngizobhema because ngisaba ukuthi uzongithatha kanjani. Ngicala kancane ngithathele USB ngithengisa, kusasa ngiyabuya futhi ngithatha something else, yangithola. So yaba kanjalo until sowutshontsha kakhulu izijump, umtshontshele amakhamera, umtshontshe yeah, makabeki iwallet yakhe yanyonyobela, yabona. Yeah. So nga decide ukuthi no because ngiyabona inkinga yami ukuthi yini, so sometimes bengizambela mina before ngimosha kakhulu.
Mara hamba somoshile.
Yeah. But I feel bad but lento engiphethe esibali i-down alidlali iyakwenzisa like ungayenza into nawe bongacabanga ukuthi ungayenza or bongafuni ukuyenza like kaningi utshontsha into uyithengise lento leyo ubheme mawuceda nje ukubhema ufeel bad mara wayingenza le out so but ngalesa sikhathi usafuna lento le fix you didn't give a fuck bofuna lokho ukufunayo that fix and after you get that fix la feel khona ukuthi isani mara wayingenza so you feel bad uyashaya ngaphakathi ukuthi mara ngikhawathele out yami.
So since ever uqalile riding uyawazama ukujika ema-rehab into.
Yeah, I've been to rehab twice.
So the first time you went there?
The first time maybe say Nelspruit, the Hazy View.
Yeah.
Yeah, eSwartkop. And it's among figure it was my first time ever ngifika e-rehab, but they didn't know what to expect. Bengne 5 Tiger ne 20 Colt. Yeah, neimpahla nyana esele ngoba neimpahla ugcina ungasanazo. So ngafika lapha affitted in actually ngoba ngagcina ne-CEO yami ingasayenzi isipani bengisenzela isipani yimi bekafundisa ama-class ngoba besiba nama-classes basifundisa about life orientation kahle. Yeah, ukuthi mawuphuma lana yini ungazenza izinto.
Keep yourself
busy. Yeah. So mina I ended up ngifundisa iclass.
Khona
yeah, eSwartfontein.
Uvayisa ubani?
Ngivayise social worker. Ama-social worker la elokishini khona umunye uCherry usipana lapha eSASSA. Yeah, wa-organizer for mina ngamcela ngamcela ukuthi ngicela angisize, I have a problem with drugs and ngifuna ukuyekela. Yeah, then she pulled some strings and then I found myself there.
What was the reason behind it?
I was tired of this. I was tired of drugs. Bengifuna life yami back and bengifuna ukubuyela life inencusi yami yangithola. Yeah, because mawubhema ezinye izinto become secondary, especially family. Like manje, I wish my kid I can spend more time naye, but I can't because isikhathi esiningi ngisispenda kuphi hustling. Yeah.
So what drawn you back to drugs after that first rehab?
Okay, I came back, I was clean. Ngayohlala nobaba umncane wami. Ubaba umncane wami it's I don't know how to put this. He's an SO. Ungathi uyajabula mangi kule situation because you can always point a finger at ngiyabheda. And umntana wakhe weCherry uyabhema, so he blames me for umntana wakhe probably. Uthi uyabhema, but azange ngimfake mina la. Yeah, wafakwa ama-boyfriend wakhe. Yeah. But yena ubona mina as umuntu obhedayo ukuthi ngifake maybe my cousin lapho lezo zinto.
So usho lezi zinto lezo while you were clean after rehab?
Yeah. Bekangiphatha ngenye indlela mangakutshela bekanokungivusa ngabo 2 AM aphuzile. Angithuke angitshele itori nje. So bengihlala manje ngingajabulanga mangivula ibhizinesi it shuts it down. Mangizama ukuthi angitshele ngeyisipani ukuthi hawo intanga zakho ziyasebenza ngabe uyasebenza nawe in forgetting that asifani singabantu. And yena he's a mechanic and ufuna ngiyokenika imoto. Mina it's not for me. Wonke umuntu unento yakhe ayenzayo. I'm not good at being a mechanic. but I forced yeah so mangzama another way yokuspana akayifuni le like DJing, it doesn't take it as work. Ukudlala into nje, not realizing ukuthi for mina it's very serious. Ngiyayithanda lento and it's my work and I know how to make money of it. Yeah.
Then what led for you to go back to drugs again? I mean, like shiftile endlini awuyele estradeni?
Bengisahlala naye mangibuyela ngibhema. Then I realize ukuthi ngibuyele because uyachinja mawubhema, you're not the same, like clean, and now they can see that khona something has changed. Then he kicked me out. Wangitshela ukuthi ngihambe kakhe, and there was nowhere I can go, so the streets were the only place, and they're the only people who can give me, the people who can only give me indawo yokuhlala were those people I do drugs with. And uyohlala nabo, that means you're gonna do more drugs. Anyeke ufike uyohlala nabantu abangabhemi, ababhemayo wena ungabhemi, yabona. Yeah, doesn't work that way.
No, so amfana angazi namanye ama-question mhlawumbe ufuna ukubuza ngashile.
What happened to
Nguku Box? Yeah. We were about to open a store, a Nguku Box here in Emba, because we already had other stores around South Africa. So we decided, why don't we have a store last buyakhona eKastethu, I want to represent Ikasi. No, I was still on drugs, but Utumelo is my friend, Utumelo Mphatlanyane, so he decided we're gonna get you clean and then uzospana a store. I will give you something to do. Nami ngamcela ukuthi man ngicela usizo, I'm on drugs and stuff. So Tumelo decided to ukuthi angitholele indawo yokuhlala. I'll forever be grateful for that. Wangitholele indawo yokuhlala, why rent for 6 months. And then wangisa ka doctor, lekusase nomunye udoctor labathi uDr Mabinza. Yeah, so he dealt with nabantu in my situation, basically bekane medication bekagaya yona, uhamba ama sessions lapha kuye. So I had to go, like check kuqala ukuthi how many ama drugs angakanani emzimbeni, then back detox. Then it depends ukuthi uzoza kuye for how many times yabo. So bengiya lapha kuye once a week, bangihlaba ama injection, banginikeze i-medication, then bangigaya ne-methadone. Methadone uthi nje iyafana, is like it's heroin. Sorry, methadone is heroin, but
in a liquid form.
In a liquid form, so you cannot take too much because you'll end up yangibamba. So bayayikala. So mangiloko ngithatha this medication, angazi why there's always someone who uzofuna ukstopa lento engiyenzayo. I don't know why. I won't mention even his name, that guy. Bekakhona ukuthi akhulume nami ngenye indlela, like mawukule process yokuyekela ama drugs, you must be very watchful ukuthi lo muntu umtreata kanjani, lo muntu oyekela ama drugs, because he's in a process, akadingi stress to start with. Angithi ningamkhuzi or ningamenzini, but it's how you speak to them, because into encane triggera the whole thing imosha
The whole process.
the whole process, because uzoyithatha kanjani lo muntu loyo lento uyishoyo. So that guy was always on my case. Yonke into like angisebenzise like kungabi nebreak. Nje angiphusha nje kunganasidingo. Or maybe he was angry ukuthi why kumele angisiza. I couldn't understand. So he put me so much under pressure ukuthi nami ngigcine ngigive up. Ngithi akusho ukuthi akayiboni muthi lento engiyenzayo. So let me just vele ngichubeke ngibheme because ayikho lento. Yabo.
So when I will be in that mentality yokuthi awenzeli la uzenzela wena.
Yes, I had that, but inhliziyo yenye into sibalisa mayiphakelwa yangithola. And mau recover from anything, the minute uyeka or the minute uyenza ukwata or wenza, you're gonna go la ujwayele khona. Isipoko sipokela la sifele khona. Yeah, it's like mawuzizwa ngathi you can do something, uzoyenza lento uyijwayele.
Not any other thing.
Yeah. So uzobuyela khona, it's very simple ukuthi urelapse. Ngithola noma ungayenzeli bona, but uzozitshela ukuthi yini engayenza just to take this, ngoba ugcwala ienga enye engayazi ukuthi ibuyaphi, ugcine nawe uzibona sowubhema. And once ubhema ubona ngathi kuba na this lie in your head you make ukuthi ayingegrand, yabo. Kanti awukho grand, is a start of ama-problems amanye amaningi ezayo.
So manje, how long when, according to you, ubhekile ukuthi this pain needs to fade away, more especially your parent, your sibling?
I don't think it will ever go away, my brother. I've tried.
So any plan how you gonna live with that then?
Yeah, the thing is to cherish the things that, the good things that it did for me. That's the only way I can deal with this and forget about the bad things which came with it.
Because I'm saying this because I'm trying to find a way of you not to do drugs anymore.
Yeah.
Because now you take drugs mawuqala, it was because of the pain that you had that led you to drugs.
Yeah.
But then now, how are you gonna get away from drugs if you are dealing in a situation?
I've learned one thing about dealing with the situation. At first, I couldn't speak to people about my problems. And then it explodes. Those tattoos till value explode. So manje, I've learned through the processes that I've gone through, you speak to people about your problems. Uthola umuntu right, not just speak to anyone. Thola umuntu alright, uzokwazi ukuthi akhansele. Mawukhuluma not ukuthi akupha ama-answer, no. Ukumamela sometimes, just listen to the person, give him an ear. It's very important. It doesn't even have ukuthi akhulume, just ahlale phansi akuphi isikhathi sokuthi ukhiphe okungaphakathi kwakho. That can help. That's one thing I've noticed recently. That's what I should have done before. Ukuthi ngikhulume nabantu, because mina ngathatha everything ngayigodla kimi. That's why yangilimaza kangaka. Yeah.
So satisfied in
do you ever see yourself being clean ungasarelapse CVA? And what is the way forward? What do you think is going to work for you? Because abantu abaningi bathi smoking is a choice. If wena awuka decide ukuthi uyayeka ngeke uyeke. But sometimes the age matters.
Yeah.
So and at this age now, within the next 15 years, it's in or 50 something to 60. What do you want for Gordon?
Okay, Mina right now, Nation, my objective is to stay clean after I've gone through the processes of cleaning myself. So I need to be clean, Machida. I need to be clean. That's into engifisayo ukuvuka njengawo wonke umuntu. When I open up my eyes into yokuqala nje ukuthi I wonder ngiyobhemani namhlanje. I wonder ngiyohasela kanjani. I wonder ngiyoyithola phi imali yokuthola lento engiyidingayo ngithola. Yeah. Ngifuna ukuba normal like everybody else. Ngiyazi normality ayikho, but it's better than uvuke une stress sokuthi uyobhema.
But angeke benzima because you've been living this life for like 20 years, bro. Sometimes they say in order to beat that habit that you've been doing for like maybe 5 years, you need another 5 years. Then you'll say I've recovered.
Exactly, that's true, my man. But you need to throw everything you got in changing yourself. And I've realized one thing, ukholwa yasiza. Like mina ngisizwe is giving my life to God. Noma ngibhema manje, but taste that ukholwa helped me a lot because kukhathe everything down for mina. Sengiyasaba ukwenza ezinye izinto ngoba uNkulunkulu ngimsaba ngenye indlela mfethu. Yeah. Ngiyamthanda futhi kodwa ngiyamsaba, sengiyakhuzeka. Ngiyakhona ukuthi ngizikhuze mina ngithi uNkulunkulu uzothini ngalezi zinto engizenzayo. So it helps to cut down izinto ezibhaya iChristianity. Yeah.
So bra, another question before we close.
I still say garage.
Oh, okay.
Okay. How did you guys split it, spend it?
Okay, there was 3 of us, so it's 800,000 split in three ways. Lochiri samka 20,000, but bekasaba noma besimnikeze 100 rand, she was gonna be okay with it. But we managed to get some convince some guy 20, then the rest we split it equally amongst ourselves. Then we went hotels, clothes, besithenga impahla sambe emamoli, sitshintshele phakathi esitolo. Yeah, sithenga impahla manje sigcoka manje. Esitolo phakathi.
Uthi isitolo beningena basivale.
Basivale isitolo kusale thina kuphela phakathi because they know ukuthi siyoshiya enye imali endlula le yenu ezabe nizoyithenga. In one shop, mina by myself maybe bengizoshiya boma 50-60 grand.
On clothes.
Yeah, only on clothes. Only on clothes. Yeah, at some point sashisa i-microbus. Siyithengile sayishisa.
Same day.
Yeah, same day siyithenga manje siyishise manje. Enhleke angazi besidakwe yini lapho. At some point besifuna ukuthi basibone as important as abantu abaphathimali angithola. So bengekho enye into ultimate besingayenza except that at that point bengekho into ezondlula leyo, besifuna ukusetha istandard ukuthi babone ukuthi akudlalwa la. So we bought the microbus same day sayishisa. Angisho bebashisa impahla abashisa icathulo thina we wanted to make an ultimate, and thina besingasi cotton, but besifuna ukubabonisa ukuthi we can do more than lenzi into zeni zokudlala.
So manje Brian, if maybe you were to be given a chance or mhlambe kuthiwa masingabusela isikhathi emuva, yini obongayifixa or into oyifisayo ngempilo yakho?
Into bengayishintsha ukuthi taste even ama drugs. ngingafuni nokuthi nje ngiwasondele nakancane because I got into it ngizitshela ukuthi ngizovele ngiyeke nje but it never worked out that way. Yeah, it's been a struggle for most of my life ukuthi ngiyekele ukubhema. And the longest engihleli ngiclean ngayo is 6 years.
Kule 20 years.
Yeah. Like mangiyekile. Like ngahamba ngaya kwenye indawo eDurban ke wasiza abantu. I stayed 6 months there bengisebenze eAquel yamanzi. Yeah, I ended up being a manager there.
Yo.
Yeah, in that 6 years. Yamosho ukuthi i-COVID. So I had to come back this side. Kula ngirelapse khona. Ngoba on the 15th of March makuqala i-COVID, it was my birthday. Kahle kahle bengize ngapha to celebrate my birthday ne-family yabo. Yeah, then bavala. So ithe mabavala i-country kwathiwa abangaphandle they stay outside. Then bachubeka basipana bangaphakathi. So ngahlala nganamsebenzi ngenza lo small businesses bengine sneaker wash. Ubaba umncane wami wathi ngiwaste amanzi.
Yeah.
But umntana wakhe has the same sneaker wash but it doesn't have a problem with it.
Families.
You see, and urelapsiswa abantu who should be happy and helping you ukuthi uyekele leyo lifestyle, but yena he chose ukuthi mina stay in that lifestyle. Mangidlula ngikhombe ngomunye atshela abangani bakhe niyambona iflop lona yabona it hurts me more ngiyangithola. Yeah, and I yearn for that love. Uke wakhula uthandwa, then all of a sudden alikho lelo thando, you feel so empty, my brother.
Abandoned.
Yeah, that's why ezinye izinto I cannot explain ukuthi zenzeke kanjani. It's yearning for that love that you once had, and once you don't have it, you feel so empty. You feel like you're useless. You feel like ungabona ungayenza ezinye izinto but you can't. Ufuna lelo thando. All my life I've been chasing le thando lelo I once had in my life. I wish I could have that back.
Yeah, definitely you can. So don't you wish like maybe, or sometimes when you're thinking of smoking, since you say unengosi, ucabanga ukuthi why can't I just leave this thing for unengosi yami so that I can give a better life to my child?
Yes, every time.
You feel abandoned as much as you are feeling that.
All the time, my brother. When I take that fix, I cannot think about her. Inhliziyo yami iba buhlungu kakhulu not being there for her. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi uzongizonda kangakanani for abandoning her. Ngithola brother. She's a darling, ufana nami. She's intelligent. Umntwana nje right. Yimi nje time lakhe liflop. Yabo ukuthi ngingabi there for yena. And I'm always yangidla like noma ngilala, I pray to God that he helps me ukuthi si reunite mina naye.
Around la second.
Yeah. Uhlala no mama wakhe ne stepfather.
So if ever maybe you want to say something to her, what can you say? From your father to your daughter.
Khomozo, I'll always love you, and I'm sorry for being the father that I am. By flopping, but it's not my making. I love you so much. Ngiyafisa nje ukuthi everything could have happened differently. I want to give her everything that I had and more. But izinto ezenzakele in my life ziyangistopha ukuthi ngisondele eduze nawe uyazi when I'm clean we are the best friends. Yeah. Ngoba anginabo abangani even manje ema-drugs bangizonda bonke. Can you understand that? Abantu ababhemayo bangizonda bonke. I don't understand why. Even nginokubabuza ngithi enhle kanti ningizondelani. What is it? Because siyafana, spema the same thing sonke and niyazwana but mina aningifrostane. Probably it's the way ngakhona, the way ngiyenza izinto ngakhona. But I don't mind that. All I mind ukuthi nje ngiphume la. Because I always, mangihleli nabo, I always tell them the positive things in life.
How much?
Yeah. Ngihlezi ngibaphusha ukuthi guys, at some point mele siyekele ukubhema. Siphile impilo zethu ezi-right. And somehow nami by telling them that nami ngiyazitshela ukuthi I need to get out of this life. Akusiyimpilo e-right esiphilayo. Namanje uthame uhlala estradini akusimnandi. My life has been in danger for imfethu. Umuntu nje bakusukele nje. Bakusukele bafuna ukukulimaza for what? For no reason. And so you have to protect yourself. Sometimes nokuzitshela ukuthi I don't want to die ngisabhema. That will be a waste of a human being. Yeah. Ngifuna ukuchinja. There's so much I can do for umphakathi wami, but I cannot do it in the state that I am in.
No one will even trust you.
Exactly. You cannot trust me, and angiboni kuyinto grand ukuthi ungitrust. I cannot even trust myself in this life that I'm in right now. That's why umuntu noma athini, I don't blame them, because this is not me. Akusugodini lo ozalwe ngi-15 zika-March lo Gordon Moabi. This is not me. I'm capable of so much, but ama-drugs have taken something away from me, and I want it back. So the only way I can get it back is by changing my life. Yeah, being clean. And then ngihlala ngikhala everyday ngiye ebantwini ngicela usizo. Abanye bathi hayi ngeke sikusize ngoba you'll get back to ngeke esikwazi ukukusiza because you relapse again, so it will be a waste of resources. But nalapho angikwadi or ingiceda amandla ingenza ngifune more ukuchinja,
to prove to them that you can.
yeah, because you can, my brother, you can change. You're a human being, you can change. It's called space to change. I'm a human being. You make mistakes, then you change. If you want to, that is.
Yeah.
And me, I want to. If I'm given an opportunity today, I'll take it. I'll take it. Akukho la ngikhe ngathi ngicomfortable la ngihleli khona. No. I'm not. I want to change. I want to be the best I can be, because I've always wanted the best for myself. So why will I settle for being a drug addict?
Yeah.
I can't, man. Yeah, I cannot. I know abanye they could say ukuthi it's done. Abanye they already written me off. But uNkulunkulu engimkhonzayo usangithanda. Usangiphile elinye ilanga lokuthi ngishintshe. So I cannot to not change. It's not an option not to change, bro. I want to change. Ngifuna konke lo I've lost, I want it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the spirit, bro. Yeah, that's the spirit.
Yeah, I think if you can, because I see how you change when you speak about your daughter. I think your focus should be giving that love you said your auntie couldn't give you because now you're not their kid. You were bofuna lelo thando. So now you can't neglect indodakazi yakho because mhlawumbe naye akafuni imali ufuna nje ubaba okhona nothando that she can't get there. So you see sometimes ezinye izinto when you face them and awukhona ukusolve zibuyela komunye umntwana wakho. It's like so when you have to come close to your daughter because I think you can save yourself through her naye angabenefita thola ubaba. Because other people obviously put her down, negative energy, but your daughter can't give you that. And if you focus your energy with change, I think.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, my brother. It's when we speak about my daughter, Mfethu, I can't put it this way. I cannot relax and say
fake
emotions or ngithi umntana right la khona. No, she's not. As much as me, I'm suffering right now, she is. And yena umntwana, that means she's suffering more. Ngiyacabanga nasesigela. She was not doing okay until I spoke to her. Manje, she's excelling. She was not doing good just because maybe she's not studying. No, khona into bengidisturba mina. Ubaba wakhe, I was not being a dad in her life, uyangithola. But I did speak to her. Noma mina ngisabhema kanje, I did speak to her ngamcela ukuthi she must play her part, I'll play my part. So that's why I'm going around asking for help. It's taking too long. Abantu engibacelile ukuthi bangisize. I should be out of this life by now. And into ebuhlungu ama-drugs, you cannot do it by yourself. Yeah, you get in there by yourself, but to get out, you need a community to help you. Ukuthi ikhiphe by supporting you.
What you say to labantu labo mhlawumbe you say bangakusponsor bangakunceda ukuthi ukhona ukufika ku-rehab abazi ukuthi kuyowa-relaxa twice. What would you say to them if babuke?
I like to say to them not to lose hope in me because I've relapsed before. Let's put that behind us. Let's look forward. What is it that I need to do now? Not what I should have done in the past. Now, all I need now is their help. I need them to come to the party and help me and believe in me when I say, this time is for good. Yes, it's for good because I've learned so many things through my addiction. It's not only the bad. I've learned ukuzehlisa. I've learned ukusiza abanye abantu. You can be surprised. Being a drug addict has shown me the other side of human beings. Ukuba i-drug addict showed me ezinye izinto bengazithathi serious. Bengakhona ukuzehlisa. Bengine-pride, benginani. But ukuba i-drug addict helped me ukuthi ingibonise ezinye izinto ukuthi azenziwa kanje, zenziwa kanje, zehlise ebantwini, zikhuluma kahle. Into eziningi ngisifundile la, but I don't want to stay there. There's so many things engingazenza. Ngifuna ukuthi one day mangifa ngishiye legacy for not only my child but for nelokishi lami la ngiphuma khona. Ziningi izinto engifuna ukuzenzela abantu. I've been that person othanda ukushare izinto nabantu. Ngibayenzela izinto for free. Hayi ukuthi ngiyobafuna imali or ini.
So Mchita, ngifuna ukubuza mhlambi like any advice that you can give bomama abahlala nabantwana ababhemayo, how can they deal with the situation?
Okay, to abomama abahlala nabantwana abanenkinga about drugs, don't lose hope kuye. Stay focused, mncede, ube naye, ukhulume naye until akhipha lokho kuye esifubeni, ungamlahleli ithemba ma. Ngiyacela because most of amajita esibhemayo asinabani we esingakhuluma naye. Ngathini si weak when it comes to ukuthi sibe nabantu esingakhuluma nabo ama problems wethu, so we ended up sithatha yonke into sigodla kithi and that kills us more. So masinabantu aba open enyeke usabe ukuthi ukhulume naye, ziphi isikhathi sakhe uvule inhliziyo yakhe for yena, that can help the child.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, man. Yeah, thank you for inviting me, man.
So guys, thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed the episode because and also I would like to thank Nation because Nation did brought up some questions that I never even thought about. So Umchita was big in the story. He really needs that help. No, especially when I mention in the Hawaii it's only for her. So if ever you can be able to lay your hand or lend us whatever you're supposed to do this, Umchita can teach you. If ever you want to contact your Umchita, don't be afraid to write on this number that will appear on the screen. Was in show. You know, we doing it like we doing it for TV. The podcast that other podcasters watch, we out. This is a number of stuff. You're pushing your part. You're pushing your part. You're fooling your vibe.